Yesterday, I was discussing with one of my clients who was asking me, I have recently started my new business and I am using my personal PAN card for the same. And he also asked me that for applying GST number, they are asking for business PAN card and what is that? Every business owner should understand the difference between what is a personal PAN card and what is a business PAN card. In this video, I'll be telling you about the difference between the personal PAN card and business PAN card, whether business PAN card is mandatory. If business PAN card is mandatory, what are all the companies who should be applying it and what are all the documents required. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Pvt Ltd. Now let's start with what is meant by PAN card and its full form. When you take PAN card, it is called permanent account number. Every individual who are earning an income will take this PAN card to file their income tax before the income tax department. Now in case if you are in a job, then you will be using your personal PAN card. But when it comes to a business, there is an additional PAN card called business PAN card. When you consider a personal PAN card, in that PAN card, the person's name will be there and a 10-digit PAN number will be there. In case of a business PAN card, in the place where you see an individual name, there will be a company name. And also there will be a 10-digit PAN number which will help the company to identify as a legal separate entity. Now let's come to the second point, whether business PAN card is mandatory. In case if you are running your company as a proprietorship firm, in that case your personal PAN card can be useful for opening a proprietorship company and that can also be used for a current account. In that case, you don't need a separate business PAN card for only proprietorship company. But if you are going to any other type of companies like a partnership, a private limited and one-person company, an LLP company, a public limited company, a trust or NGO or any other society registration, you definitely need to have a business PAN card which is mandatory for all these type of organization. Now who can apply for a business PAN card? Any company which wants to identify itself as a separate legal entity, they can have a business PAN card. Like I already mentioned, partnership company, private limited company, OPC company, LLP company, any other business separate legal entity, they can apply for a business PAN card. Now why business PAN card is so important? The first point is you can file a separate income tax filing before the income tax department for your business. So you will have a clarity between your personal PAN card where you can file your personal IT, and in case of business, you can file a business IT through your business PAN card. The second important factor is whenever you are applying for a GST registration, and if you have a separate business PAN card, you can get your GST registration easily done. Third thing is opening a current account. Whenever you're going to a bank, they might also ask you whether you will have a separate business PAN card. In that case, if you are able to provide this, the process of opening a current account will be more smoother. Number 4, which is the most important one, whenever you're applying for a business loan, then if you are able to submit a separate business PAN card, you can get the business loan so easily sanctioned for your business. The next important question we are going to discuss is what are all the documents required for applying a business PAN card. Let me see what are all the documents required. For a partnership company, you actually require a partnership deed, a rental agreement and the PAN card and Aadhaar card of all the partners. For a private limited company, you don't have to buy a business PAN card separately. PAN card is issued automatically when your company is incorporated. For a one-person company or an LLP or a public limited company, the same process applies. Once you register your company, the PAN card is issued. But for trust and society registration, the registration certificate is required, a rental agreement of the organization is required, again the PAN card and Aadhaar card of the individual trustees is also required. In case if you want to know the more details of documents required for business PAN card, then in the description we have given you a free downloadable PDF. In that PDF, what are all the types of businesses, what are all the license required have been detailedly given. In that you can check even business PAN card. So kindly click on the link in the description, submit a Google form and you can avail this PDF for free. Now let's go to the next step of where to apply this business PAN card. The first place is you have to go to the official PAN application portal. In that link, you have to submit the appropriate business name that you have for your company. And the second thing is you have to apply the addresses and the business activity which you are doing it for your business. And the third thing is whatever the type of companies you are there, accordingly you have to upload the documents. And the fourth point is after submitting the application, it will take you to the online payment and you have to make the payment and submit the application. Once you make the payment and submit the application, you will get the acknowledgement number through online. But you will also get a physical PAN card within 7 to 10 days of time delivered to your official registered address. Now, if you are as a business owner, if you actually want to know what is the link to apply for the business PAN card, then comment below in the comment box business PAN card. We will share you the official government portal link. Now, the last question is, if I don't apply for a business PAN card, what will be the consequences? The first one is, if you are running your business as a proprietorship concern, then business PAN card is actually not required. But if you are running your company as a separate legal entity like a partnership or private limited or any other NGOs, then in that case, if you are not going to apply for a business PAN card, you will not be able to open the current account, you will not be able to apply GST, you will not be able to submit your income tax filing, and you will not be able to get any business loan. In order to avoid all these problems, you definitely have to get the business PAN card. If you are as a new business owner having a lot of doubts about this business PAN card, then in that case, we have a WhatsApp business community link shared in the description. In that community, on a daily basis, we are sharing you with the tips for developing your business and clarifying the doubts if you have any in running your business. Kindly click on the link below in the description and join the business community today. In the next video, we will be discussing about whether it is safer to run your business with savings account or current account. If you want to watch that video, kindly subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Pvt Ltd.